Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is your reading for the month of April 1 to 15, 2025. Let's take a look at your overall energy. Okay, you have the Five of Swords in upright position. I see that's tension going on with those people around you. Parang may iba't iba kayong mga ideas. Maybe in your career, with your co-workmates, may project kayong um, ginagawa pero napakadaming ideas dito. Kaya minsan nagko-conflict at mataas yung tension, halo-halong mga emotion, may mga pagtatalong na magaganap. Maybe in your love life or in your career. So I think this indicates that you will be in a very challenging situation when it comes to your career or with your love life. This indicates those people around you, itong mga tao na ito, so paghandaan lang itong challenging situation na ito na paparating. Pero I see that it's a very healthy competition. I see that you're going to win naman because you are very happy here. Siguro sa career nyo, parang ikaw pa rin yung nasusunod. So maraming ideas, maraming energy, may mga tension, may conflict, may arguments. Pero at the end of the day, yung idea nyo pa rin yung mananaig. Okay, let's get another card. Cancer. Okay, you have the Eight of Cups in upright position. I see that you're going to let go of these things na very toxic. Siguro you are thinking to change job, changing into something na to follow your own path, follow your own desire. I think you're going to reassess your purpose in life at saka meron kayong mga decision na kailangan yung pagtuunan ng pansin. You're walking away to something negative here. I think you're tired about this career na parang paulit-ulit na lang na merong tension na maganap, merong conflict. Although, nakakaya nyo naman, pero parang at the end of April, mapapansin nyo na parang paulit-ulit na lang ganun yung argument, yung ganun. Although nakakaya nyo, pero parang naboboard na kayo. At saka gusto nyo ng parang panibagong adventure, panibagong purpose naman sa inyong life. Ganun. Okay, so let's get a Mystic Force Oracle cards for Cancer. Angel, what's your advice or guidance for Cancer this coming April 1 to 15, 2025? Shine bright. It's never a mistake to give of yourself. Some will take it for granted. Others may take advantage of it. Do not allow bad energies to overpower your life. Okay, sinabi dito, do not allow bad energy. I think ito yung bad energy, itong Five of Swords. Siguro, nasa toxic environment kayo, diba? I see that you are standing up kasi you have that power. But I think you are, ano, parang pagod na din makipaglaban or ipaglaban yung ideas nyo, your relationship nyo, or yung um, toxic nyo. Kasi parang kayo yung energy nyo na nagiging negative na din. So, ang sabi dito, shine bright daw. Do not allow bad energies to overpower your light because you have this light energy sa inyong 8 of Cups. You're going towards your future na maaaring malaking pagbabago na magaganap sa inyong life if you're going to let go of this toxic negative energy, toxic relationship, toxic environment. Ganun. Okay, that's your reading, Cancer. Take what's resonate and leave the rest that are not. Follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe.